Hello, someone requested that I teach how to play Old Town Road on the Flutophone. This is just the beginning melody of Old Town Road. You will be using the following letters: A, G, F, E, and D. Those are the only pitches you're going to actually learn. A, play an A, G, F, E, and D. You're actually going to start on the D dog D. There's your beginning. And then you go all the way up to the A. Start on your D, 3 Ds. Go to the A, G. Now you're going to add your F. Go back to the D, 3 Ds. A, G, add F, and then 3 Ds. Okay, that's the very beginning. Start on your 3 Ds. A, G, F, go back to D, A, G, F, D, A, G, F, 3 Ds. Now you're going to go up to G, A, and then F, E, and then D. From the beginning, 3 Ds, A, G, F, 3 Ds, A, G, F, 3 Ds, G, A, and then F, E, D. So that's how you play it. You go D, 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 A, G, F. Do it again. D, 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 A, G, F. Do it again. D, D, D. And then this is the ending. G, G, A, F, E, D. All right, so 2 times through, D, 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 A, G, F. And then you start the D, 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 but then that's the ending. G, G, A, F, E, D. All right, whole song, starting on the D. 3 Ds. A. Ds again. A. 3 Ds. This is the ending. Go up to just a G. F, E, D. All right, you just did the whole song. Now I'm going to do it without calling the letters, and you can play right along with me. Ready?